Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Steam application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now, whenever you open up the Steam application, you might notice that before you are taken into the app, the Steam application will automatically check for updates, which means that your Steam application should be up to date without you having to do it manually if you use the application every once in a while. However, if for some reason your application is not updated to the latest version, then you can do this right from the homepage. Just log in using your email address and your password, and from the store page, click on the Steam icon at the top left corner. Now, within this menu, you will see the Check for Steam Client Updates option. Go ahead and click on it, and this will now check for the latest updates. If any update is available, you will find the Install button, as well as the newest version details. You can simply click on this Install or Update button in order to install the latest updates. Now, in case this doesn't work for some reason, then you can always try manually downloading a new version. Open up your web browser and then type in store.steampowered.com in the address bar and press enter. Now, from the home page, click on Install Steam at the top section, which will download the installer of the latest version that is currently available. Once it is downloaded, go ahead and open it up and click through the next buttons, which will now install the latest version of the Steam client app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to update the Steam application to its latest version. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.